TNT. Yung sinasabi ko nga, Paris 2024 bronze medalists Ira Villegas and Nesty Petesio.
Together with singer, songwriter, actress, dancer, host, and television personality, Asia's limitless star, Julian San Jose.
Governor ng Phoenix Dual Masters and PBA Treasurer, Attorney Raymond Zorilla, joined by multi-awarded professional volleyball player for the Green Line Cool Smashers, we have Miss Gemma Galanza.
Governor ng Blackwater Boxing, Mr. Siliman C. Kasabayang model, sought-after endorser, and the newly crowned Miss World Philippines 2024 from Baguio City, Krishna Marie Gravides.
We also have Governor of the Converge Fiber Xers, Mr. Archen Cayabyab, walking in with actress, gamer, and cosplayer Myrtle Sarosa.
Magnolia Chicken Templados Hotshots, Mr. Rene Pardo, along with captivating actress and model Rere Madrid.
Philippine Cup champions Meralco Bolts, Attorney William Pamintuan, accompanied by Filipino-American gymnasts who proudly represented the Philippines at the recently concluded Paris Olympics. We have Alea Finnegan.
Governor ng NLEX Road Warriors, Mr. Ronald Pilatre, kasama si fast rising content creator and will-to-win co-host, ang ating Inday Probinsyana, Inday Fatima.
Siyempre, nandito din ang ating Governor ng Northport Batampier, Mr. Eric Arejola, joined by young actress and professional figure skater, is also a member of the national figure skating team, Miss Charmaine Sky Chua.
Governor ng your shine Elasta Painters, Attorney Mamerto Mondragon, kasabay si Miss World Philippines Second Princess 2024, model and businesswoman, Sofia Bianca Santos.
Siyempre, nandito rin ang Governor ng San Miguel Beermen, Mr. Robert Noon. Makakasama niya ang National Karate Team member, two-time SEA Games gold medalist, and daughter of basketball legend Samboy Skywalker Lim. She is now making her strides in the field of data analytics. She is Jamie Lim.
And to complete our cast, we have Governor of Terra Firma Jeep, Mr. Bobby Rosales, along with Miss Charm 2023, first runner-up, as well as Miss Universe Philippines 2022, first runner-up, and M-Quest artist, Annabelle McDonald.
And may we have some words from our beloved PBA Commissioner, Sir Willie Marshall.
Pasensya na po. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to the 49th season of the PBA. Muli, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik at sa suporta niyo sa PBA. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po kayo.
Thank you, PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall.
Once again, mga kapatid, mga ka-PBA, your PBA Board of Governors. And now our PBA Board members with their team muses may now proceed to their seats.
Sa pagsisimula ng Season 49, haharapin ng bawat manlalaro ang hamon na ibigay ang abot na kanilang makakaya to play their very best. Pinakamahusay, puno ng aksyon at kapanapanabik